So this is my 1999 Cherokee XJ. It's a classic. It's a two-wheel drive. Bought it about a month ago. Rear leaf springs were shot. The shocks were bad all the way around, and I read some horror stories about, you know, replacing the rear shocks and the bolts breaking off. So I just wanted to take the time to let anyone who's struggling with what I was struggling with know what I did. Now apparently, you know, people say get a hammer, punch set. That didn't work for me. I ended up getting an air hammer. That still didn't end up working. So what I ended up doing was drilling through the floor and cutting through the floor and just cutting those bolts off. That's what I ended up having to do on this side. Now on this side, one of the bolts didn't break. It came out easy. I don't get it. Anyone who uses PB Blaster, it's some good stuff, but I got some WD-40 rush release called Blue Torch technology. It's a little more expensive, but the bolts on that side came right loose. But with them breaking, I just went ahead and broke off 4 of them and just replaced them. So even the air hammer didn't work. So this is my rear driver side. This is what I did. Dropped the same size bolts. Use lock washers so they'll tighten themselves down. And if you cut through the floor like I did, I mean, it's a lot of people may think that's crazy, but I mean, that way if I ever need to replace these shocks again, I mean, it's accessible. I can live with that. I mean, carpet's in awesome condition. It's gonna flip right back over it. So yeah, that's what I went through. Brand new rear leaf springs. I mean, if you're gonna do this work yourself, I mean, don't spend as much time on forums as I did. Just go to Harbor Freight and buy one of these. I mean, they got it on sale right now for $169. And from there, just go ahead and just get all the tools you need. You're gonna save money, you're gonna save time, you're gonna save a hell of a headache. But it's my XJ, brand new leaf packs. I can't remember the name of them, but a lot of people put really good reviews about them. It's not the old man, it's something else. I'll post it in another video. And brand new AC Delco gas shocks all the way around. About to take it for the first test drive now. Anybody's got any questions about this, or anyone who's got any advice for me, I'm new to this. This is my first rear wheel drive car. I drive that kind of stuff, front wheel drive imports. This is a project for me, so, you know, take it easy on me. This is my first video. Any advice anyone's got for me, I'd be more than happy to hear back. Thank you.